Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we're working on the Hedgehog and I'm calling it Warming Hedgehog. And we're going to be working right in this part and part of his sweater. I'm not sure where one begins and where one ends, but it does sit like this, and that's the way I have this. So the first color that I'm using is 433, and it is kind of a golden brownish color, if you will. Yeah, let me pull you in so you can see what's going on. We may have to adjust this left and right, because, you know, I always have an issue stitching from left to right instead of right to left. So, yeah. So how is everybody doing? Hope everyone's doing well. Feeling a little bit better today. Didn't take so many naps yesterday. I got one in. Woohoo. Yeah. I don't know. I swear. I have no clue what is going on. But I'm still stuffed up, but not as much fogging in the brain as I was. Yeah. It was something else yesterday. Or the day before. I'm telling you. So, anybody going anywhere exciting this weekend? Gonna do anything fun or exciting? We need fun and excitement, you know, because it's like February, man. We're supposed to be knee-high in snow, and it's just not happening. It was really, really cold yesterday, because it was windy for most of the day, which was not fun. Even the cat didn't want to sit in her little window box. Well, it's not actually a window box. There's a window, and then there is this small little chest I inherited from my grandmother. So it's about, 14 inches deep and, you know, like wide this way. Probably, I don't think it's even 3 feet across. And I have no idea where it came from. I don't remember if she even told me where it came from, or if they picked it up, you know, 100 years ago at a, what do you call it, an antique sale or whatever. So it wasn't like somebody in the family had built it that I am aware of. But yeah, I always admired it, so she gave it to me. It was always fun to sit on the edge of her bed and go through all the things that were in there, you know. Yeah, good times. They were all new and fascinating to me because I was a kid, but I still could appreciate it all. But that's where, going back to the original part of that whole conversation, and why I gave you all those details, that's where the cat sits. I have a little baby blanket that lays on it, because that thing's made of wood, of course. And so she has a baby blanket folded up there where she can perch and look outside, so she does that every once in a while, but not so much in the winter as in, you know, the summertime. Because I think it's actually kind of chilly right there. But winter or summer, I do keep a blanket on it, because it's not like she scratches on furniture, but I just don't want it all scuffed up. if that should ever come to fruition, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna pull you this way just a bit because I keep pulling it towards me and then I get out of frame. So yeah, and she'll sit there for hours and hours sometimes, or till she thinks I'm gonna pick her up or some crazy thing. And then she'll vacate, and then she won't go back. So it's a bit bizarre, but we work with it. Didn't know how far this thread would go. It was already threaded, loaded, and starting to stitch here. So I figured we might as well finish this color. Then I have another for another symbol there. Get a hold of the scissors. Okay. Hold, please. Jeez. Got that all messed up. So I guess we're doing like the back. Whoop. I'll get my thing out. Like the back little quills and stuff there. So we'll see. And the second color is 938. Sorry. So it's that yellow. We're going to get rid of these clips. They're in my way. So we can maneuver it. It's not that big, but every once in a while it just gets in my way. It's a beautiful brown color. So I thought we might as well just take the next symbol that came along. Oh my goodness. I had some of my chili for dinner. Because like I said, I was just kind of chilled yesterday. So that's hanging in there. But, yeah, it was 70-some degrees in the house. Because I had all my heaters running. And like I said, it gets to be a little bit chillier, you know, when the wind's blowing out there. Oh, come on. So, yeah, it's not supposed to warm up until, I don't know, Saturday or Sunday, perhaps. We'll see how that all turns out, you know. It can say it's going to be 50 degrees, but if the wind blows, you can knock that down by about 10 to 15 degrees cooler. So, yay. And we haven't gotten, like, a whole bunch of snow or anything like that, so we'll see. We'll just hope for the best. I think I'm gonna do half cross stitches across here, and then I can turn it around and stitch back the other way. And if anybody has anything they'd like to share, something you're working on, something you've finished, it does not have to just be cross-stitch. You can send me a picture and a brief description of what it is, or, you know, if it's a special pattern or something. And I will get it into my next stitch with me. I got it turned, sorry. Now we can let go of that and move the little teddy bear, because now it's in my way. Sheesh. You'd think this was 10 feet across or something, the way I'm manhandling it. Pull the thread out a bit. Worked a little bit on that flowers by the gate, I think is what I called it. But not too much. It was just still kind of hard to focus, if that makes any kind of sense, into whatever this cold thing is. Listen to my audiobook. Yeah, mostly yesterday. Watched a few things on YouTube. Didn't get real excited about anything. Just feel kind of drained. Does that make sense at all? Drank some tea. But yeah, not a whole bunch of energy hanging in there. So, yeah. But it is what it is, so we'll just get through it. I haven't taken any, you know, NyQuil or Tylenol or anything. Just letting it work its way through. And letting since I had chili last night, I let the, what do you call it, cayenne kind of open my sinuses, if you will. I tend to make my chili a little bit on the hot side. Sometimes more so than ever, sometimes less than ever. But, yeah. It seems to work. Went right across there and right underneath that. So, I let the natural remedies work, if you will. I know that seems silly sometimes, but I mean, and it doesn't keep me up at night, you know, like coughing or anything in that, you know, realm of things. Sometimes when I get a cold, I can't sleep, so I'm sucking on a cough drop half the night, because all I do is cough, but no coughing involved, just dry cough, so that's a good thing. I have no idea. So, hopefully it'll go away here in a couple days or so. What I should have been drinking the first night was turmeric milk. It's got milk with turmeric, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger. I know there's something else in there, I'm not remember. Maybe a little bit of sugar, nothing, you know, too carried away. But it's supposed to ward off colds. So, yeah. But I didn't think about it until like 3 o'clock in the morning that first night, so, yeah. I was like, no, I'm not getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning and making turmeric milk. All right. Oh, can I get 2? Can I get 2? What do you think? Come on. Come on. Play fair. Then I will turn this around and show you exactly what. Let me get it anchored. So we're getting there. I know it. Okay, now it's the way it's supposed to be. So that's its back. And then this part right in here, and maybe even, I don't know, I think that dark like dark turquoise or teal is an even darker number. Let me look. It says 747 or 742. No, that's not it. Oh, it's over here. It's 310 black. So this is that darkness you see going like underneath the quills right there. So from that line this way is his sweater, and then his face is in there somewhere. So we'll maybe work on this and see what we can get done. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.